Alright guys, check it out. I need you guys with some intelligence, because myself, I seem to be lacking here a little bit, right? Well, so I put the magnetic strip up, and I'm sure it's ready to peel off of here, pretty close to it by now. But what I'm trying to say is that I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna make a bracket to go from the back side of here where this is attached. See here? Where this is attached? The sensor. And I'm gonna make a piece that's gonna go right there. And then there's gonna be a piece of steel that's gonna bring it down, and it's gonna have two holes that I screw this sensor to, but flipped upside down underneath of this. This will be on the bottom side now. I'm going to take this off and flip it all the way around and put it on the bottom side pointing down. That way everything goes off of it instead of falling on it. And I know I should have thought of that from the beginning, but hey, this is my first time putting a DRO on anything. Let me tell y'all something. I've never operated a manual lathe until I bought one. Alright, so I'm going and I'm learning as I go, and I love it. I can't stop. I love it. I love it. So the deal is that I need to make it happen the right way. Okay? I may need to buy some more magnetic tape. I may not need to. But please, guys, if you have any advice that you could offer me, I could really use it for that. I did a great job on the tool post. This thing is rock solid, bro. I mean, rock solid. Look. Rock solid, bro. Like, this thing is, yeah. I'm very proud of myself for the job I did on that, right? But this right here is a little bit different. This is a little bit more calculated. The magnetic tape already came off of there. Sensors laying there. I mean, it's all or nothing, bro. But we can make this happen, and I know we can. I really just need you guys to give me a little bit of advice here. I need to get these fixated to where they're not pulling nothing. Alright, so yeah, just a couple little things I need to work on. And they're coming up. So the back side's gonna come up off of here again soon. And we're gonna have to hook it up, man. Hook it up, man. So yeah, that's where we're at. We just put another shelf in over here. Alright. Got the big shelf up there. Yeah. What do y'all want, dude? What do y'all want, dude?
The plans are made up. They've got to fund it.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, it's 2028. It's gonna happen.
You would not be allowed to.
You wouldn't.
I need a good kind of EOS with a backup monitor so I can watch as I'm recording. Amazing. That would be too much like right. Y'all have a great one, though. I'll see y'all on the next go around. Just wanted to throw this in. Did she say Uranus? Amazing. Amazing. Thank y'all for watching. Hit the subscribe button. So far, so good. We're getting all this together. It's turning out well. Still want to work on this area right here a little bit more. We're getting all the loose stuff up in the cabinet and cleaned up over here. Now the steel's going down the side of the cabinet where I can just pull it out when I need it piece by piece. We're putting also little scraps right in here at the end of the saw. That'll hold it balanced also, because it's kind of top heavy, corner heavy or whatever, as you can see. It stands up right here, so that kind of helps it, weight wise. And I got another little piece of plate at the, well, not little, but it's a piece of plate at the bottom right there.
Was arrested, released,
yeah.
And then murdered
so
this young woman. In fact, ICE has put out
right now
the details here.
I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that piece of I-beam over there.
Citizen of Venezuela.
Big old piece of I-beam.
US Customs and Border Protection
and then that piece of granite corner.
After unlawfully entering the United States near El Paso, Texas. paroled and released for further processing. What does that mean? That's catch and release right there. So right here, I just want to pause for a minute, because the media.
I'm still getting down in the nitty gritty in this corner because I'd like to put this saw that's over here or there. This saw right there. I'd like to get that down inside there if I can. We'll see what happens. Hang around for a little bit. Welcome to the Machinist Corner, y'all.
That allowed this man not only to get into the country.
This corner is for the guys who just starting out that don't really know too much. Welcome. My name's Pete. Welcome to the shop. Enjoy.
He was arrested and then
Nice little shop.
within 6 days.
We're working on it.
September 14th, 2023, Ibarra was arrested
Keep the
by New York
YouTube
Police
going.
Department. Now that's just a year after he's been
Right now we're listening to Larry Town Hall. I'm just giving you a panoramic view of the shop. Oh, a little too high though, panoramic view. How about that? Is that a little better?
The NYPD before a detainer could be issued. A detainer is when local police, either state, county, or municipal, catch someone and they can tell
Welding area and all.
documentation that they're
I
not
want to
a
get
citizen.
that
They're
welding
not
table
here.
from Harbor
County
Freight.
get this guy and deport them. A lot
And we're
of
gonna
cities
set that up
really
like
do
right in this
use
area right here.
detainer because they're called
Yeah.
sanctuary cities. I'd love
And that
to
way I
know
can
where it
just
says
weld right
before
there
a
and just
detainer
pull
could be
steel
issued.
out and
I
over
wonder
and
if
just
New
put
York
it right on the
Police Department
table.
would
Get all the
issue
fixture
this.
out, fix it up the way I want it. Bip, 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 done. Huh?
Another
Episode, Atkins Fabrication did some. We're working on the DRO on the lathe again. We did it the first time. How do we say it? Yeah, half-assed. Yup, that's how we say it, half-assed. So, this time, we're doing it right. We put this in the milling machine, we cut this part off of it, okay? We had the bottom still on it. It's going to go downward now, right? We manufacture a little doohickey bracket. This could go in here like this. This would be on the outside here, like so. Alright. Okay. And then this is going to go on the bottom. Well, other way. Point it up like that. And it'll ride along it. Not bad, right? Just something that it's flexible, so it won't get caught up. It'll ride along it nice and easy. It's stainless, so it won't wear down too fast. So I think that'll work out good. We'll see how it works. But I got to drill out for these holes. Drill these holes to tab it. This could be installed. This could be installed. That's done. Then the side piece we got to do, which is a whole nother adventure, but not so bad. So we're going to take the other one here, and we're going to put it on this side this time, right? And it's going to be pointed up, just like so. And what we're going to do is it's going to go right here, on the side here. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that pretty much. Right here on this side, right here, it's going to be fixed. And then we're going to have this piece. And the tape will be on the bottom, like it was on the milling machine. And we're going to take and put it on this side. And we're going to take out the set screws. And what we'll do is we'll screw them in, right? But the set screws, we're going to use the nuts that are on here to hold the L angle on here. So I'm going to drill holes, and then I'm going to take an end mill, and I'm going to make a slot to where it can adjust, and the nut can tighten down on it, it'll hold it back. Huh? Not a bad idea. Then I don't have to mess with none of the set screws. I just got to make sure they're long enough in order for me to be able to, put a nut on the end of it. So, Yep, that's where we're at, man.
It was a race that I was not supposed to win. If you listen to anybody who knew anything about
What you
politics.
think? Huh? What you think? Where we at? Where we at? What you think, dog?
Zero support from any, local or national Democratic Party
So,
individuals.
anyway.
As a whole, it was, imagine this.
Here we go again.
Voices were heard through their votes.
You know it don't stop, babe. We just keep it moving. I got this locked, so this ain't, I don't want this to go nowhere easily. I want this to stay right where it's at. I can move it if I push it, but I don't really need a community anyway. I got enough voices in my head that I'm my own community. But thank you. Start getting busy on all of this so we can get it done.
So what did you notice? I mean, well, first of all, obviously very far away. It's just so far.
I want to get done it. The worst part is drilling these holes back here. So, anyway, I'll be right back to y'all. Give me a moment. And, real quick, guys, back again real fast at the milling machine. And I just wanted to say something about the central machinery, mini vertical milling machine, drilling machine, SKU number 44991. This machine, I have heard a lot talked about it. And facts, if you want high quality, you have to put in that extra high quality work in order to get it, to achieve what you want to achieve on it. But I think that brings the challenge out in it. And I want to just say that out of the box, I really appreciated this machine. This machine has been amazing. It has now steel gears in the head. I broke the gears. It has all new gears that are in the head. They're all steel. Okay. I broke my original vise. This is the Weber vise. Much better. Holds much better. I'm enjoying Weber. I'm trying to get them to let me do commercials for them and them sponsor my videos. Show you guys their tooling. And so far I actually have been and showing you how well it actually works too. But for that matter, this machine is amazing. And if you're going to start out with a milling machine and learning, this is one of the perfect machines to do it. Now you can get it in any grade and they'll tell you, oh, the central machine. I don't care which one of them you buy, from little machine shop, Clutch, all of them. They're the same identical thing. One just might be cheaper than the other, price-wise. But they are the same identical thing. They may have a different kind of table on it. Something like that. Different hand wheels, right? That does not make the machine. You're going to make the machine.
At the time, August, most members of Congress are at home during recess, and I was home in my district, and I remember
getting there and stay solid, focus, and pay attention to what you're doing, and you can make whatever they can make.
I've never met her before.
I just wanted to say that to y'all. If y'all stuck around this long, I love y'all, man. Hit that subscribe button. Join us over here at Atkins Fabrication and then some. Help us build the community. Community's moving right on up, baby. We're at 366 right now. 366 right now. You hear me? Thank you. Thank you guys so much, man. We'll be at 500 before you know it. By summer, we're going to be at 500. Little Arsenio. Atkins Fabrication and some. Be back in a minute. Hit that subscribe button. Hey, and like and share with your friends, man. It helps out on the algorithm. Really appreciate that. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm over here at the Chromebook trying to see if I can't hook my camera up and make a webcam, and I'd like to go live while I'm actually recording this video. I think that would be really cool. But I don't see it happen. I'm trying here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Anyway, we'll be back to it in just a moment. I can't find my charts. So I'm actually looking through the machinist handbook for a tech drill chart. And I want to tell you what, man. Amazing. Just the information that's in here, like, half the time I don't even want to stop. I want to keep going. I mean, I don't want to keep going. I want to stop, excuse me. But I mean, like, wrench turning, how, Lord have mercy.
Beautiful 22-year-old woman in
Like,
Georgia, a nursing student just out for a job. Like so many other women, are out for a job today, believing they live in a country where their safety will be protected, and it should have been. But Joe Biden and Alejandro Mayorkas deliberately defied the law. They apprehended Joe when he came illegally into the country. He was in El Paso.
But what I need to know is the suggested drill size of it. What should I drill to her out?
And he went to New York City, another sanctuary city, where he was apprehended again, this time for endangering the safety of a child. If New York City had simply followed the law, if they put him in jail, Laken Riley would still be alive. But again, New York City let him go, and this murderer came down to Georgia and beat Laken Riley to death with a brick. Jeremy Caceres, a 2-year-old little boy in Prince George's County, Maryland, just miles from where we are right now, murdered by an illegal alien Joe Biden and Alejandro Mayorkas released. Just a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, guys, I gotta look at something else. She's on there. It's a bracket, and she's on there. Now we come back up. It works. Yep, I'll let those screws poke out on purpose. It gives it a little bit of altering motion. I gotta get some better screws for it, which I will get, but in the meantime it'll work. Thanks for watching. See you on the next go around. Hey baby. Alright, well, that'll be about it. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate y'all. And yeah, much better. Anyway, that'll be it for now. The bracket's on there. I gotta get some better screws for it. Looks kind of choddy right now, but it'll be better. We'll make it better. I just gotta get some screws for the bottom piece, the sensor. Right now it's got butt screws in it. And what we'll do is we'll get some regular cap head screws that'll go all the way through from one side to the other and hold it there. But we're good. All is good. All is good in the hood. Now we got the bracket drilled out, and what we need to do next is take that bracket and put it up there in that there milling machine and get us one of them there end mills up in there, and open that on up. And we'll pop it right through right there. Man. That way it's adjustable. I'll bring y'all in when I'm doing that. That'll be interesting to see. I might do that today. We'll see. Pausing. Oh, we got her set up in there. And what we'll do is we'll get the end mill in there. And we'll drop it down into the hole. Boom, boom. And we'll make our first cut. And that's where we'll zero it out at. And that's where we'll bring it to every time. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me find us an end mill. Sorry about hitting that camera, my head's right next to it. Maybe I should have been in just a little bit closer. Just a little bit, maybe. Maybe. Just maybe. If you're still sticking around watching this dumbass, hit subscribe. Join the community of rejects. Thank you. Excuse the loudness, y'all. That's the air compressor coming on. But hey, looking good.
So the law says that lying to Congress is a felony. Since we're no longer using impeachment as a means to address someone who's lying to Congress, how does Congress prosecute or address someone who deliberately lies to Congress now that the Senate has swept away through this presidential action today the opportunity to use impeachment for that purpose? Thank you.
And I'd love to respond to that quickly, basically. What we've done is to effectively immunize this against impeachability. Immunize making false statements. And going back to the original question, I don't know, maybe aggravated first-degree murder with heinous, atrocious, and cruel conduct?
And 2 days ago, no, yesterday, Secretary Mayorkas said he did not know why Mr. Bear was paroled. Which one of the two was it? This was a question from Congressman Bishop. He said, I didn't know. At the same time he said, I didn't know, I had the file, and it says, subject was paroled due to detention capacity at the Central Processing Center in El Paso, Texas. In the file, he was paroled because they didn't have any space for him. Senator Schumer, this is illegal. The Secretary of Homeland Security cannot just add a condition to the statute. The statute doesn't allow you to give parole because you're full. And the reason this man was given parole is not because you lose your job. Because you got a statutory requirement limiting your authority to parole people, and in your own file, Exhibit A, you paroled because the place was full. This happened 2 days ago. So, this gives kangaroo courts a bad name. This is a friggin' joke. We have a nation under siege. 1.9 million people have been paroled. Are you telling me they do an individual analysis on all the people? In February 2023, no, November 2023, I asked him, Secretary Mayorkas, do you do a case-by-case analysis? Senator, we comply with the law. So you're telling me of all the 240,000, the ones in front of us, you determine they meet the criteria of urgent humanitarian need or significant public benefit? And he said yes. This was in November, under oath, to me, when asked questions. I don't believe you. I don't believe you're doing an individual analysis.
All right, we're out of here.